Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a yummy collagen peptides smoothie, but we're gonna also add some matcha green tea to it. So this is Gut Garden's collagen peptides. It's pasture raised and grass fed. It's an amazing product. So we're gonna take like about 1 cup of ice, put that in the blender. I like using this Silk Almond Light 50. It's not too sweet, but it actually has a good vanilla. So get the 50 calories. So I'm going to add some almond milk. I like the smoothie to be kind of thick, so I'm going to add about that much. And then what I do every night is I slice and cut freeze bananas. And I'm going to add like half of this, okay? So like a handful of frozen bananas, like about that much. There you go. And then we're going to add a scoop of the collagen peptides. Big scoop right here. And this stuff doesn't have a particular taste, but it has a good texture to it. It makes your smoothie, I think, a little bit more rich. Okay, this is the matcha tea. I get it from Japan. And I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon. Okay, there you go. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Alright. And there you have it. And then we're going to close the lid and blend. I like blending it for about a minute or so until it's nice and thick and smooth. Okay, and there you have it. Hang on. Nice thick collagen peptide smoothie with matcha green tea added. There you go. Easy peasy.